always, Alyssa. So today I'm very excited. I'm back with a cooking video. But first, I'm going to tell you guys something you may or may not know about me. I am a huge Marvel fan. You may have seen some of my TikToks that have been Marvel related, or that cute little baby Groot that I have on my shoulder that I always wear to Disneyland, or my Groot collection, or, well, some of my art pieces even. So, as you guys know, my little baby sister Chloe was born very prematurely. So that means my parents were gone at the hospital a lot. So that means all of us kids were left at home with not much to do and we were super bored. So we decided to have a Marvel movie marathon where we watched every single movie from start to finish. And the new Doctor Strange movie just came out. I just saw it. It was super awesome. I loved it. And in the movie, they made pizza balls. So that's what I'm going to be making in today's cooking video. Pizza balls. I'm so excited. They're going to taste so good. I'm especially excited because I got the movie in the mail, which by the way, the cover is so cool. So that means I get to watch it over and over again. Let's get to the cooking part. I'm also excited because there's mini pepperoni. Look how adorable. I've never seen mini ones like this. They're so cute. But first things first, I have to clean the counter. I got this cute little Pop and Pizza Balls kit, but you can get all these same ingredients at the grocery store. While you're getting out your ingredients, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's what you're going to need to make these pizza balls. It's so easy, only 4 ingredients. The first thing is pizza dough. You can get this at the grocery store in the fridge section. The second thing is pizza sauce. You can pretty much use any sauce for this, whichever one you like the most. Then mozzarella cheese and mini pepperonis. First thing we're going to do, open our dough, and we're going to section it into about 2 inches wide for each little dough ball. And don't forget to wash your hands before you handle the dough. I haven't made pizza or anything related in so long. The dough. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to roll this out first. It might be a little easier. I put just a little bit of flour on my hands and on the work area just to make it a little bit easier to roll out this dough. Okay, I got my first little ball of dough here. Just gotta flatten out a little bit. And remember, 2 inches wide. Should be about good. I'm gonna put it on this tray over here. And I'm gonna make about 7 more. I think that's how much this dough will do. So once you guys have finished making all your little dough balls, we're going to take one ball. I'm going to use this one right here. You're going to flatten it as much as possible, and then we're going to add about maybe a half tablespoon, a little more of red sauce into the dough ball. Let's get our sauce first. Perfect. And we're doing about 1 tablespoon of cheese. Or more if you want. There we go. Now add just a tiny bit more sauce. Oh my gosh, these look yummy already. I can't wait to try them. Okay, now we're going to add a few pepperonis. These are literally so cute. Look how small they are. I love it. I usually don't like pepperonis, but for some reason, I think that I might actually like these ones. Just a few little pepperonis. Oh, so cute. I love it. And now, bring the sides of the pizza dough together and pinch, forming a ball with the pizza toppings in the center. This might be a little tricky. Let's see. I think I can do it though. It's almost like a dumpling. Oh no, 1 pepperoni fell out. That's okay. Okay, I did it. There we go. Some of the juice is dripping out. Maybe I put a little too much sauce, but that's okay. I'll do better on the next one. For this next part, you're going to put them seam side down into a muffin tray. This one got a little messy, so I'm gonna have to try to fix it. At least I know what to do better on the next one. So first, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese in each one. Okay, this one's a little messy, but that's okay. I got that one done. Time for the next one. Ooh, this one looks a lot better already. Very nice. This is pretty fun once you start to get the hang of it. put a few pepperonis. Nice, that looks pretty good. I like that. So cute. Okay, as you can see, I still have some more dough here, so I have made 8 so far. I'm gonna make 8 more, but I'm gonna put these ones in the oven for 20 minutes. I almost forgot one really important step, so before you put your pizza balls into the oven, put a little bit of the red sauce on top and sprinkle a little bit of cheese, and that'll be very good. Anyways, I'm gonna keep making these, have some more dough right here, and have about 8 left to make. Okay, I'm down to my last few pizza balls. I just have 2 left. Counterfeit is getting a little messy. That's okay. I'm so excited to try these. They're gonna be so good. Okay, my timer just went off. Time to take them out of the oven. I'm so excited. Ooh, they look pretty good. I'm excited to see what the inside's like. There we go. Okay, so I'm getting out these super cool Dr. Strange plates. I also have some napkins. There's some crushed red pepper and Parmesan that came in this pack, as well as silverware. So I'm just waiting for the last couple ones to be done in the oven, and then we're gonna sample. Okay, everyone has a pizza ball in front of them. Are you guys excited to try this?
Oh yeah.
They look so yummy. Ready, set, go. Are they good?
Oh yeah.
Nice. I can't wait to try mine.
Wow. This
You
is
like it,
so
Owen?
good. I could eat 20 of them.
I know, they look so good, huh? Okay, I just took a bite of this and it is so good. Is it yummy, Owen? Super yummy? Is it just like the movie? I have to sample just one more because they are so good. I think I'll take this one. A little pepperoni on top. And the cheese on bottom. Nice touch. So cheesy. You guys have to try these pizza balls from Dr. Strange. They are so good. Highly recommended. Okay, you guys, I also got this fan mail today and I was super excited. I wanted to show you guys me opening it. So, looks like there's a little letter. And on the box it says, thank you for the cameo. So, you're welcome. It was very fun to make it. Oh, so cute. Shelly, I think that's her cat. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. It's a little fox. It's a Beanie Boo fox. That is so cute. It is so soft. I don't know if you can tell on the screen, but it's literally so soft. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, is that a pineapple pin? That is really pretty. I have to find a good place to put this. I love that so much. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, Avalon. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video today. I thought making these pizza balls was super fun, especially since they're the same ones from the movie, and they tasted just as good as I thought they would. So if you guys try this recipe, let me know how tasty they are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!